Hello guys, welcome back. And our today's first question is that which is the heaviest bird in the world which is alive today? So let's start.
Yeah!
The largest and heaviest bird is the Kori bustard, which is native to Africa. It is also referred to as flying fortress. Males of Kori bustard weigh about 18 kg and females about half of that. It is a member of the bustard family which all belongs to the order Orchidiiformes and are restricted in distribution to the Old World. It is one of the 4 species in the large body genus Ariotis. Our next question is that which is the highest flying bird? And the answer is Rappel's vulture, also called Rappel's griffin vulture. It is named after Edward Rappel. It is found in Central Africa. It has been spotted flying at 37,000 feet, the same height as a coasting commercial airplane. It is endangered and the current population of 22,000 is decreasing due to loss of habitat and other factors. And now our last question is that which is the slowest flying bird? And the answer is the American woodcock. It is also referred to as the timber doodle, the box sucker and the Labrador twister. It is found in the eastern half of North America. Thanks for watching. Also like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.